Change your password on Instagram. Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to change your password on Instagram. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram and click on profile. Now, this is my profile. All I need to do is click on those three lines up there and click on setting. Now, I'm gonna click on the third choice, which is security, and click on the first option, which is password. Now, what you need to do is click your your normal password, your account password here, and click your new password. And after that, click on new password and tap your new password and tap your new password again, and click on check icon and you can change your password. So it's so easy and quick. This is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, please don't forget to subscribe and help us with like.